Hello friends, welcome back. It's me, Alfredo. Today we're gonna be working, this is a 2006 Ford Focus. We're gonna be replacing the flex pipe right here. See? Wanna show you? Pretty easy. 4 bolts, 1 bolt, 1 bolt here. One nut here, 1 nut here. This one right here, I think is gonna be the hardest one to take off. This one right here, because you see the catalytic converter is kind of like on an angle, so you can't really put a socket or a flex socket, a flex head socket there. So I think we're gonna have to use a wrench to take that one out, but we'll see how it goes. All right, so let's get to it. All right, friends. Now we got the 4 nuts out. See? We got this out, this out. The ones more difficult were the ones back there. Right. You can see something. And there you have it. Flex pipe, 2006 Ford Focus flex pipe. I think it's like this, see? Oh yeah, much better. All right. So we're gonna transfer these studs from this part to here and then bolt it back in. That's it. All right, friends, I want to show you how to take the studs out of this thing. But I got a little friend here. It's my air hammer. All right. Now you just want to tap it slightly. See? Actually, make sure this thing is tight, and then you just tap it. Let's see. Again. 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 Alright, let's do the bottom one. There you have it. See? One. On the bottom one. Alright, friends. Every time I'm working on exhaust pipes or exhaust manifold stuff, I like using this product, see? It's called Ultra Copper. It's made by Permatex and it's a maximum temperature gasket maker. See? So I really like this stuff because it kind of seals once you got everything in place. It seals if there is any small gap. This will seal it and make it like perfect, with no leaks. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna put a little bit of this stuff in this area right here. Make sure it's clean and free of any grease. So just apply a little tiny coat like right here. I already put some on the flex pipe. Now I'm putting some here, just a little bit, so that when you bolt it together, it seals right up. It seals right up, so you know. Okay. All right, now we got it in. See? We just need. So in the upper part, we're not gonna reuse the studs. We're just gonna use bolts with nuts. So special bolts, for high temperature with bolts. Okay, now we got both of the ones from the top tight, nice and tight. Now we're gonna tighten these two ones from the bottom. That's it. All right. There you have it, friends. Flex pipe, 2006 Ford Focus. You can do it. I mean, I have some tools, but I'm pretty sure you can manage, to do it yourself. So If you like the video, please give us some likes and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions about this car or about this job, please leave the comments in the box below, in the comments below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you next time.